213 White Cloud. Oof. Okay. So AC unit's in the front side yard. I don't think I've ever seen that. So we don't have rock here. We'd rekey 1, 2, 3, and then there's a door and a security door, so 5 doors. I would say definitely 100% repaint, and some new baseboards would go a long way. Looks like there's 2 earthquake straps and no drip pan on the water heater. I think there should be a small budget for junking. There's some things in the backyard that could be junked. Maybe replacing all of the interior and exterior door handles would help as well. So I'm not sure about this layout. So you walk in and there's this wall here. This is the kitchen. The laminate's in bad condition over here already. So it wasn't laid correctly, it looks like, and it looks like it might have been cheaper because, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's definitely buckling in this area. There's a lot of windows, so there's 5 windows here, and there's 5 windows here. Maybe replace that light fixture. Then we have that light there, and the light at the front door. We have white dishwasher, and then stainless steel and black, everything else. Okay, let's head to the backyard. And of course, a nice large pet door. I think maybe repaint or maybe clean both security gates would be nice. Remove existing alarm system if they leave it. Trim the palm tree. So this is the side that will get the evening sun, so it's nice that there's this pergola. And those are some of the items that you would want to junk. The tree also will help to block a lot of the evening sun. Then you have a lot of roof tiles over here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and we also need a blind here. Okay, I haven't walked through here yet, so I'm going to walk through here and then take you to the other part of the house. It's a towel closet. I'd say probably replace the carpet in all the areas except for maybe master bedroom. Of course, tile, caulk. Counter looks nice. Faucet's fine. Definitely, like I said earlier, 100% repaint. Remove that. Ooh, I think it'd be easy to remove. Need some closet doors here. I think we also need to make sure the closet rods and the closet shelf gets painted. Remove cables. Maybe add some doors here. It would definitely look better, and it looks like it will fit. Yeah, it looks like it would fit. And also put tile underneath the laundry. Blind, remove that. I think painting this is really important. Also, there's that cutout there. So the carpet in the master actually looks new. So if we could match the other carpet to this, then you wouldn't have to replace this carpet. And I think this looks bad in person. It should be repainted. New counter and faucet. Light fixture actually looks fine. Definitely repaint the doors. Of course, tile. Remove that. Recaulk, replace drain ring. Probably get a normal shower head. Remove that. It looks like that's it. I'll just walk through one more time so you can get another look. And that blind.